Well, every once in a while you run into something really interesting. There's a bull sculpture, a spider sculpture. I like these. And of course, I guess the ducks do too because they're sound asleep. But this is kind of interesting. I'm going to walk around all of these. It's just really kind of interesting. I'm not certain that I understand what's going on, but unless it's signs of the zodiac, that could be, yes, that's what it is. But it makes a very interesting sculpture. Looks kind of cool. Yeah. The water bear, yeah, it's the equal weight. Kind of cool though. They're just now starting to like turn on the fountain. And apparently winter here can be really nasty, but we didn't get any of it this year, so it's kind of interesting. Cute little face thing. Never know. Anyway, so I wrote about what I'm going to do with my project now that I've been here for almost 3 weeks and been sort of struggling with things, but finally got permission to go find a space on my own. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think it'll be really kind of cool. Eva offered me a space, so I'm going to check her out on it and say, yes, I would very much like to do that. I probably have to move to the hospital, but that'll be okay. Or not, I mean, you know, who knows what. I could still stay at Suzanne's and take the bus to the hospital. It's only roughly a quarter to go to the hospital, you know. A bus ride to town takes a long time, but it's only a quarter. So, figure that one out. Those ducks are really happy. I'll take a nap in the sun.